Hi everyone, I'm Kate. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to use this mountain card to paint some flowers. Let's get started. Today we're going to paint these Enkianthus quinqueflorus, or we simply call it Chinese New Year flowers, because they often bloom around this time of the year, which is around February, the Lunar New Year. So this is the size of the flowers. It's really small, just, the flower is the size of my nail. I'm going to start with the small red leaves that sticks out at the top of the plant. The red is the shades of orange and china red. If you're new to my channel, please go back to some earlier videos that I've demonstrated how to mix different shades of color. While a lot of people will be focusing on the small bell-shaped flowers, I think these bracts are an important part of the feature because just like pancetta or the Christmas flowers, when the flowers are tiny, then the plant will take care of itself by having some bright red, bigger leaves as an attraction to make them look like they're flowers to attract pollinators. And the tiny flowers drop down from the bracts and appear as pendulous clusters. For the small flowers, they're bell-shaped and there are different colors as well. Some are a bit more white and others more scarlet and pinkish. So I'm using a mix of a bit of orange to start and china red and the crimson red. I suppose you can use some scarlet color as well because that's the shades that these flowers may have. And I'm gonna paint some flowers that are not open yet. Did you see that I made a mistake? I painted one flowers on a brag. So I'm gonna add another cluster here so that it looks like it comes out from the other cluster. Now I'm using a large brush to paint the green leaves. The green leaves meant to be much bigger than the flowers, but I am not intending to paint the exact the same proportion because my hero of the paintings are the little flowers. I'm sorry about the color. I'm gonna correct it. Something wrong with my camera. Now you can see the green color. Now I'm adding a light shades of red color on the tube to make them more pink. Now I'm adding a couple of beads. I'll start with the black color, which is dark ink. And then some yellow. You have to wait till the black ink is almost dried, or wait till it's completely dry before you paint the yellow color on it. And then I just use some light ink for the wings. Thanks for watching. I hope you like this video. I'll see you next time.